Today I'm going to be unboxing the Google Pixel 2 5-inch version with 64 gigabytes of memory. This is the model number G011A. You can see all that information right here. It's going to be an awesome phone. I'll actually, once I get it out of the box, I'll compare it to my current Google Pixel right here, as you can see. And we'll just see if we can notice any differences in the form factor and the screen and all that. So really excited for that. It's a great phone. I can already just tell from how it's packaged. Really excited to get into it and see how it's changed and what improvements Google has made. That being said, I'll post a link to this in my description where you can check it out on Amazon for yourself if you're interested in buying it. Also want to mention that my current promo I have is through Google Project Fi. You will be able to save $20 if you sign up through the code in my video description. So if you're looking into a new phone plan, check it out. It's not for everybody, but if you don't use a lot of data and you're on Wi-Fi everywhere, and if you travel a lot internationally, it's an excellent phone plan. I currently use it and love it. So if you're going to sign up for that, make sure you use my promo code. You'll save $20 off your first bill after 30 days. So really worth doing. Love the phone plan. I've saved a ton of money switching over from Verizon. Now what's nice about these phones, they're unlocked, so if you don't like it, you can switch carrier. So you can use it on Verizon or T-Mobile or any of those networks. So just check that out, see if it's for you. Now we're going to go ahead and jump right into unboxing the Google Pixel 2. So really excited about it. Here's how it's packaged. Here's the side view. Really excited. Looks really slim. Nothing on this side. Here's this side. Just talks about Google Assistant and Google Lens built in. Team Pixel on the back for a hashtag, so feel free to share the love. Yeah, looks really nice. Really good box. Again, just great packaging. Definitely something that everybody's learned from Apple. So here's how we go ahead and jump right into it. Now, once you get that off, here's how the phone comes. Ta-da! Looks really awesome. Ooh. Okay, so what's neat is it's showing you already one of the new features on this device that's different from my current Pixel, which is it has a squeeze feature. So just start with OK Google, squeeze the sides of your phone, or touch and hold the home button. So that's really neat. It's got some sort of sensor in it that's able to sense when you're squeezing it to bring up the assistant to help you. That's really exciting stuff. So we're just going to set the phone aside for a second. We'll put it back in this box just to make sure not to damage it at all, and we'll see what else we have. Yay, welcome to Team Pixel. Great. Now let's go ahead, open up this book, and see what's included. This guy, make sure you keep this. This is for putting your SIM card in. Really handy to have this around for ever, honestly, as long as we keep having SIM cards. This little tool pokes right in the side, really helpful. Even for other phones to get yours out if you're switching from an iPhone or even an old Pixel phone. So really nice that they include that in here. And put that back. Here's the Let's Get Started guide. So a couple different languages. Just going to show you how to activate your Pixel. I'm not going to read through all this, but here's what comes in the box. The Pixel, the SIM tool, power adapter, USB-C cable, quick switch adapter. So that's USB-C to USB, and an earbud adapter. Looks like it's going to be your audio connection on this side to plug your headphones into, and USB-C on that side. So it's talking about SIM cards right here. Shows you how to actually put that little tool in to push to get that out. If you don't have this tool, you could just use a paper clip, but it's nice that this is actually made for this. So really well thought out. There's the SIM card tray, how to put it on. Transferring your contacts, we'll just support. Now it's going to be different languages. So great little helpful guide. Thank you, Google. Here's a Be Safe reference guide in English. Just going to talk you through all the liabilities, I'm sure, FCC things, all that, how to properly handle it in the battery. So we'll put that to the side too. Nothing else in here. Now, let's see what we got. Here's that little adapter. So that's nice. USB on it. Pull that out. All right, here we go. So here is your headphone adapter. That's nice that they include that. Plugs right in your phone. So first observation, you can see this phone, the original Google Pixel, has a headphone port. What did we just learn? The new Pixel 2 does not have a headphone port, but they give you this to plug right in there to be able to listen to headphones. So we'll set that off to the side, and here is your USB-C cable to charge. Looks very similar to the one for the current Google Pixel. And this is going to be your charging brick. I'm not sure if this has changed at all, honestly, from the original Pixel. So one end plugs in there, other end plugs in your phone. So pretty straightforward there, the charger. Nothing else in the box. Nothing else in here. Did a really good job, though. This looks great. We'll just set that out of the way over there. And we'll go ahead and see if we can power on the Pixel 2. I held the power button down, it vibrated. Let's see if I can get this out of this case too. Okay, just got to be careful not to drop it or anything. So this is what it happens when you turn it on. Go ahead. I'm going to keep English. Vision settings. Start. Connect to mobile network. So there's actually, which is funny, that's the program I use, which I already mentioned earlier. So Google Project Fi is really awesome. If you have a Pixel phone, it's definitely worth seeing if it's for you. And again, promo code in my description. You can check that out in the video. I'm going to go ahead and click skip for now just to see. I'm going to skip that too, just to see if we can get online so you can see the phone. Sure, that's fine. That's fine. I'm going to skip that. I'm going to skip a pin, skip anyways, more. So what's nice too, Google Services trying to show you what makes these phones so great and why I love all the Pixel devices is it backs up for free in full HD, full resolution, your photos and videos. So this is a 64 gigabyte version phone, which is a lot of space anyways. But you'll never run out of room because it backs up all your photos and videos for you on Google Photos. And just the technology for their cloud stuff that just comes with this for free is so amazing. So I can't speak highly enough for that. As somebody that switched over from an iPhone 6, 16 gigabyte to my 32 gigabyte Google Pixel, I've yet to upload pictures to my computer at all because it backs them all up for me. And that alone's worth its price in gold, honestly. So great feature for this phone. I can already tell just holding it, honestly, this phone's a lot lighter actually than the current Google Pixel. So we'll keep agreeing and stuff just to see if we can set this up. And there we go. Cool. So we're in. Screen looks really good. I'm sure it doesn't look as good from a camera to another camera, but there is the Google Pixel 2. Here is my Google Pixel phone. As you can tell, they've tweaked the designs a little bit. The Pixel 2 looks a little bit longer. Its screen as well looks about the same size. I actually was I thought for sure that this would be more of like the bezel-less design where it would go all the way down here, but as you can tell it doesn't. There's a speaker there, your charging port, but I mean it looks really good. Not as much change as I would have thought necessarily. Not bad. You can see they got rid of the antenna line, I believe, at the bottom. I'm not an expert. I know this is glass and it can break very easily, so I keep mine in a case. Here I'm not 100% positive if this is glass or plastic. Honestly, it feels more like plastic, which I'd be happy with. Again, there's no audio port up here for your headphones. That's your SIM tray right there. Charger. It's got the speaker. Actually, it has dual speakers, which is really nice. This has a single speaker, but it's still really happy with it. But to pick up the extra audio sound will just be great. So really liking this phone. I can already tell this is awesome. Really excited to use it. Let's see if I can squeeze. Oh wow, I just squeezed. That is too cool. So if you just squeeze the phone, it kind of vibrates, gives you that haptic feedback, and you can pull up the assistant. So wow, that's actually I'm not sure if I truly use it, but that's actually a cool feature. And I think you can program that to do other things as well. It doesn't necessarily have to be Google Assistant, but yeah, this looks really good. Again, it's upgrade in battery life. I believe they may truly have a little bit bigger of a screen. Obviously, it's going to be a better screen than even the current Pixel one. They always seem to just come out every 6 months or so and just double the pixels and everything else on them. So it's got that squeeze button, longer battery. It's got 64 gigs of storage now as the base as opposed to 32. So, I mean, it's definitely an improvement. It's called the Pixel 2 for a reason. So camera's going to be even better. Wow. I can already just tell it just looks so good compared to even my Pixel 1. And that Pixel camera is top notch, people. So to have this one, wow. I can tell too that processes faster and everything. So just for fun, see if I can do this. Pull the camera up for both. Just so you can kind of get a comparison in video real time to see how mine loads versus this one, even though they both do the HDR support. So, not sure if you could tell. See, mine's still processing where this one's already done. So then you can already tell just different color schemes. And actually the one on the left, wow, looks really good, just like the lighting conditions are in here, where this one's a little dark. Really already blown away, and I'm just getting started. So the Pixel 2, going to be an awesome phone. Check it out. Links in my description. Really excited for this. I'll have to get a case too, and I'll try to make a recommendation and do that unboxing as well. Feels lighter. I like that it's got this plastic back as opposed to this, I don't know if it's brushed aluminum and then glass. So I can tell weight-wise too. This one feels lighter to me. Just a really good phone. Excited for the cameras and all those great features. The squeeze, to see how that goes. Just a great phone, and you're buying what's advertised as the best camera on the market, even greater than the iPhone 8 or tied with the iPhone X or better than the iPhone X. And what's amazing is this does it with just one lens right here. So it's got some great selfie options too, I believe. I'll have to play around with that, but really excited for this camera and what all it has to offer on this phone. So this is the Google Pixel 2. Thanks for watching my unboxing video. Looking forward to seeing you guys in the next one. And have a great day and stay tuned.